Hello everyone! This will be the first video in a series where we will talk about how artificial intelligence and multi-agent systems can help power purchase agreements, PPAs, with battery storage. What is your specific interest in this topic?
Hi. I am interested in better understanding how PPAs have evolved and what their benefits are. Also, I have heard that the integration of energy storage and AI are transforming this market.
A great starting point. A PPA is a long-term contract between a power producer and a buyer, ensuring financial stability for both parties. Historically, these agreements have been fundamental for the financing of renewable energy projects, and in recent years, they have gained prominence, especially in Europe and Latin America. For example, in Spain and countries such as Chile and Colombia, PPAs are encouraging investment in renewable energies.
And what are the main types of PPA?
There are two main types: physical PPAs, where the buyer receives the energy directly from the producer at its facilities, and virtual or financial PPAs, where there is no physical delivery of energy, but compensation based on the price of electricity. Each has its advantages depending on the buyer's needs and market conditions.
And what are the biggest challenges in PPA management, especially with energy storage?
The integration of storage introduces several challenges. First, the complexity of contract structuring. Responsibilities and expectations must be clearly defined. Then, there is the uncertainty of profitability. Revenues depend on the volatility of energy prices and ancillary tariffs. In addition, generation and storage must be well coordinated to avoid inefficiencies and additional costs.
What if it is not well managed?
There can be serious economic and operational impacts. For example, poor planning can increase operating costs and reduce profitability. It can also lead to supply instability and missed opportunities in lucrative energy markets. In fact, studies show that companies with inefficient contract processes lose large amounts of money and time.
So how can artificial intelligence and multi-agent systems improve the management of PPAs?
AI and multi-agent systems optimize many aspects. First, they make it possible to predict generation and consumption patterns with high accuracy, helping to better manage renewable energy. They also automate the negotiation of contracts, dynamically adjusting them to market conditions. In addition, they facilitate the integration of decentralized grids and microgrids, improving system stability.
I understand. Now I'm interested in hearing about predictive maintenance. How does it work?
AI analyzes real-time data and detects patterns that indicate potential failures before they occur. This enables proactive rather than reactive maintenance, reducing downtime and operating costs. It is a strategy that many companies are already implementing to improve the efficiency of their renewable energy plants and industries.
What are the concrete benefits of adopting these technologies in PPAs?
There are several key benefits. First, energy management is optimized, reducing waste and costs. Second, the stability of the power grid is improved thanks to a rapid response to changes in supply and demand. Third, it facilitates the integration of renewable energies into the market, reducing emissions and meeting the company's sustainability objectives.
This all sounds very interesting. Would you say AI and multi-agent systems are the future of PPAs?
No doubt about it. These technologies are already making a significant difference, and their adoption will continue to grow. As regulations evolve and companies seek greater efficiency and sustainability, smart PPAs will become a standard in the energy industry.
Thank you for this very clear explanation. I definitely see the value of these solutions. How could I further advance these issues?
If you need more information or support in the implementation of strategies based on AI and multi-agent systems, you can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarrata via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize energy PPA contracts.